Well, folks, here's that satellite and radar at this hour, seeing the snowfall continuing to make its way across our neck of the woods, seeing some pockets of heavier snowfall even right along the North Dakota-South Dakota state line. That is making its way into central Minnesota as this circulation, this low-pressure circulation with moisture circles its way through the Watertown area, and that will make for more snow falling in Minnesota, but also making those roads even more slippery in Minnesota through the rest of this evening. But of course, snowfall continues in North Dakota at this hour as well. This is a big system with the heaviest of that snowfall down through the Quad Cities area of Illinois and Iowa, with even some freezing rain there along the Missouri-Iowa border. This rainfall then continues down through Wichita, so a very large system. So we're on the northern side of it, which is actually a weaker side of this particular system, but still enough to reduce those visibilities across our neck of the woods from, say, a half-mile visibility at this hour in Oaks, with visibility in Fargo of 1 mile, same in Grand Forks, where we're seeing less of that snowfall. We have, of course, greater visibilities, but still only 4-mile visibility right now for our friends in Thief River Falls and in Roseau. And so with the snow falling actively and that south wind, we are seeing that blowing snow to just further reduce those visibilities. We're seeing southeasterly winds in Fergus Falls around 13 miles per hour. Out of the south in Fargo at 18 miles per hour. Out of the south also in Grand Forks at 17 miles per hour, which again could cause some blowing snow on those roadways, which are already slippery, already greasy from the snowfall we are seeing at this hour. So here's the hour by hour for the rest of the night tonight. Still by 7:30 p.m. Not much will change between now and then. Snowfall still continues. The one change we may see is snowfall intensifies in northern Minnesota, but then by about midnight or so, we'll start to see that snowfall winding down, and that will be moving its way into northern Minnesota. You see, by 2 a.m., northern Minnesota will probably be the only spot seeing active snow falling. Looks like it'll be mainly done across North Dakota. Still could see some spotty snow showers lingering in the Grand Forks area by 2 a.m., but then by 7:30 a.m. tomorrow, temperatures falling into the teens for most of us, with still perhaps some lingering snow showers in Minnesota, but I do expect the active snow to be done for everybody by 7:30 a.m. The winter weather advisory expires at 6 a.m. tomorrow, but I do expect slippery roadways to continue even beyond that 6 a.m. hour tomorrow, because just so much snow has fallen in these areas, with still some wind, perhaps even blowing that snowfall back on some roadways tomorrow morning through the lunchtime hour for our Wednesday. I do expect some sunshine to move in tomorrow at lunchtime for our North Dakota neighborhoods. Clouds look to hang on a bit longer for our friends in Minnesota. Temperatures don't really warm too far from where they start the day. Still only warming into the teens to maybe low 20s for those highs on our Wednesday. But notice skies will clear as we go through the afternoon, and conditions will improve. But with some fresh snowfall, some clear skies, Wednesday night into Thursday shaping up to be a cold one. Here's how much additional snowfall we are expecting. The colors aren't showing up on this map at this hour, but still expecting trace to 4 inches of total snowfall for most of our North Dakota neighborhood, but then 2 to 6 inches or more is possible in Minnesota. That does expand all the way down through the Sisseton and Hankinson areas, that 2 to 6 inches plus when everything's said and done. I'll work on getting those colors back on that map as well. And tomorrow afternoon, your hometown forecast shows those clouds lingering in Minnesota, with basically teens and 20s for everybody, with a chance of seeing those low 20s in North Dakota, where the sunshine looks to join us a little bit for the afternoon tomorrow. Here's our photo of the day. Beautiful Ulen, Minnesota this afternoon around 1:30 p.m. Melissa Smith uploaded this one to our website, showing those reduced visibilities and some snow on those roadways already by 1:30 this afternoon. And of course, that snow has continued to fall across the area, making those roadways even more slippery at this hour. So again, I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'll say it the next storm we have. If you don't have to leave tonight, I would say just stay home if you can, stay warm, stay safe. Those roadways are slippery across both our North Dakota and Minnesota neighborhoods at this hour. Tomorrow morning, still some snow showers lingering east, but I do expect things to be improving from west to east for our Wednesday. There's that cold air moving in for Wednesday night into Thursday. Single digits expected there for Thursday morning. But for New Year's Eve, Thursday, expecting temperatures around 20 degrees, which is average for this time of year. And the first day of 2021, that's Friday, sunshine temperatures 20 degrees, but a cold start to cold first night of the new year. We have temperatures warming then back into the 20s to even some 30s by the time we get through the weekend into next week, Stacey.
Well, we'll take that sunshine. It was such a gray day today.
Gray, snowy, yeah. So I do expect some sunshine to be back on that menu for next week.
Fantastic. Thanks, Nathan.